Hi, it's Adeline from GetChemREADY. Welcome back to our ST108 implementation timeline video series. In this video, we'll be diving into Step 7, installation and qualification testing. This step is essential to achieving and maintaining high standards of water quality. Let's start with installation qualification. To begin, you need a comprehensive and detailed installation plan. This plan should include a clear outline of the system layout, as well as specifications for piping and connections. By planning in advance, you can anticipate any potential challenges or space constraints, allowing for a smoother installation process and easier access for future maintenance. It's essential to choose contractors who not only have experience in water treatment systems, but also understand the specific requirements for medical device processing environments. By investing time in finding the right experts, you can minimize installation issues and ensure that your system is set up for optimal performance from the start. With the plan in place, the next step is to verify the installation. This involves inspections to ensure that every aspect of the system aligns with the original design specifications and also complies with manufacturer guidelines. This helps prevent operational issues, ensures that the system meets quality standards, and ultimately contributes to a longer-lasting, more reliable system. Once installation is complete, we move on to operational qualification. This step involves running the system under normal operating conditions to confirm its full functionality. By simulating real-world usage, you can observe how the system performs in actual practice, identifying any operational issues that may not be evident during installation. You'll want to monitor parameters like flow rates, pressure, and water quality to verify that the system performs as intended. Tracking flow rate helps ensure that the system is delivering water at the correct speed and volume. Maintaining optimal pressure levels prevents potential damage to equipment and ensures consistent water delivery. And checking water quality parameters confirms that the water meets all specified standards for medical device processing. At this stage, it's also essential to develop standard operating procedures for the system's operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. These procedures serve as a detailed guide for the team, providing step-by-step instructions to ensure consistent, safe, and effective system management. Proper training is critical for maintaining high standards. All personnel involved in water treatment should undergo comprehensive training on the system's operation and maintenance. Regular competency checks will ensure that staff members are knowledgeable and capable of maintaining optimal water quality. Finally, we reach the performance qualification phase. This step follows the completion of equipment installation and operational qualification, serving as the final validation stage. Unlike earlier phases, performance qualification is an ongoing process. This continuous validation helps to promptly identify any deviations from standards and allows for corrective actions to be taken swiftly. Performance qualification involves rigorous testing to confirm that the system consistently produces water that meets all quality standards under normal operating conditions. This requires regular monitoring and testing of critical water quality parameters to verify that the system remains within acceptable limits. Lastly, continuous improvement involves actively tracking all system performance data, documenting corrective actions, and recording any adjustments made over time. Regularly reviewing this data helps pinpoint inefficiencies, areas of wear, or components that may benefit from upgrades or fine-tuning. Maintaining comprehensive records of the entire qualification process is essential to support continuous improvement efforts and provide a clear audit trail. These records should include detailed documentation of all equipment, water quality tests, maintenance activities, system adjustments, and corrective actions taken. Following these steps will ensure that your water treatment system is not only compliant with industry standards, but also optimized for consistent, high-quality performance. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful as you work through the ST108 implementation timeline. Be sure to stay tuned. We have more videos coming your way. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out. Thanks again for joining us, and we look forward to connecting with you in our next video.
Thank you for spending time with us and our experts today. We're excited to continue this journey with you. For For more water treatment insights and helpful resources, please visit us at GetChemREADY.com. And if you'd like a more personal connection, we're just a phone call away at 1-800-229-6801. We can't wait to connect with you again and explore your water projects together.